time. It governs everything, aging our bodies, eroding mountains, and guiding the flow of the universe. But what if it could be broken, manipulated, or reversed? Time travel is a concept that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. Yet, behind the allure of infinite possibilities, there lurks something far more sinister, an unraveling of reality itself. Theories of time travel have deep roots in science. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity proved that time isn't absolute. It bends and twists under the influence of gravity and speed. According to physicists, traveling close to the speed of light could slow time for the traveler. And wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through space-time, might offer a terrifying shortcut through the fabric of reality. But what if time fights back? Scientists warn of paradoxes, impossible contradictions that could destroy logic, matter, and existence itself. The most infamous is the grandfather paradox. If you traveled back and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, you would never be born. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back to stop it? Such a loop, if real, could break the very fabric of causality, ripping apart the laws that hold the universe together. Yet some theories suggest the universe may correct these violations. Physicists like Stephen Hawking proposed the chronology protection conjecture, a natural law that prevents time travel on a cosmic scale. But what would such a correction look like? Some speculate it could manifest as sudden catastrophes, black holes forming from nowhere, cosmic radiation storms, or even the instant erasure of a time traveler from history, leaving only a glitching echo of their existence. The horrors of time travel aren't limited to theory. Whispers of strange encounters with time distortions have surfaced throughout history. One eerie story is that of the Moberly Jourdain incident, where two women claim they slipped into 1789 Versailles, witnessing figures from the past, only to return moments later, haunted and disoriented. In another case, during the 1930s, pilot J. Bernard Hutton and photographer Joachim Brandt claimed to have witnessed a bombing raid on Hamburg, years before it actually occurred during World War II. Their photographs showed nothing unusual, but their accounts eerily matched future events. Could these be glitches in time? Moments where the layers of past and present briefly overlap. And then there are the chilling accounts from scientists experimenting with time and quantum particles. In 2019, researchers from the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology claim to have reversed time, at least on a quantum level, using a quantum computer. The machine manipulated electrons to move backward in their state, effectively turning back their quantum clock. But the experiment's success rate was only 85%. The rest of the time, the particles collapsed into chaotic, unusable states. Scientists called it quantum time chaos. Then there's the nightmare scenario of the bootstrap paradox, an object or information existing without origin. Imagine finding a book written by your future self and publishing it, only to realize the knowledge never truly had a creator. Such paradoxes defy reason and suggest a terrifying, looping reality from which escape is impossible. One disturbing thought: what if you are a bootstrap paradox? What if your very existence is the result of a future version of yourself, looping endlessly through the same moments, erasing and rewriting your fate with each pass through time? And what of the future? Scientists theorize that if time travel ever becomes possible, it might only work one way: forward. A one-way ticket to the end of civilization, trapped in a desolate future where the sun is dying and humanity is long extinct. Worse still, some believe that travelers could become trapped in time loops, forced to repeat their final moments endlessly, forever lost in a pocket of broken reality. One chilling theory is that black holes could act as time traps. Their immense gravity is known to slow time to a crawl, meaning a traveler approaching the event horizon could witness the future of the universe unfolding in fast forward, billions of years passing in seconds, only to be crushed and consumed by the singularity with no way back. Perhaps the most unsettling theory is that time itself is an illusion, a construct of human perception. Some quantum physicists argue that all moments, past, present, and future, exist simultaneously, layered upon one another in a concept known as block universe theory. If time travel disrupted those layers, the universe might respond with annihilation, a cosmic reset that erases everything. Worse yet, what if we are already experiencing a form of time collapse? Deja vu, the Mandela effect, and unexplained memories could be symptoms of timelines merging or breaking apart around us. But there is one theory more terrifying than all others: the idea that time itself is aware. Some physicists and philosophers have speculated that the laws of the universe act like a self-correcting algorithm, ensuring that paradoxes cannot exist. But what if that algorithm is more than just physics? What if it is something conscious? What if time punishes those who break its rules? What if every paradox, every attempt to alter the past or escape the future, triggers an entity that exists beyond causality? Something that feeds on broken timelines, erasing them and their travelers from existence. If that is true, then time travel isn't just dangerous, it is hunted. So if time travel ever becomes a reality, it may not be the key to adventure and exploration, but the door to oblivion. A final reminder that some forces are not meant to be controlled, because in the end, when you tamper with time, time may decide to tamper with you.